Hey guys, welcome back to the Romano Show, and today we are doing Friday Night Funkin' versus Daddy Dearest. Here's Ellie.
Oh,
and Ellie thinks Daddy Dearest's noise are...
I'm so annoying, it gave me a headache.
So we're going to try and beat Daddy Dearest today. Let's just see how this goes. Alright, so we Friday Night Funkin', yeah. On a Friday night. Alright, so then we're going to go with... We're going to go with easy, and then we're going to go week 1, Daddy Dearest. Alright, you guys ready? It should be easy.
Mommy Dearest is so hard.
Mommy Dearest is pretty hard.
But Daddy Dearest is easy. Okay, I'm out. It's so annoying.
What? Alright, here we go.
She's singing. I like Mommy
Well, that's
Dearest.
Well, Mommy Dearest goes too fast.
I can get used to boyfriends.
Yeah, boyfriend I love. Boyfriend's my boyfriend.
No, boyfriend's my boyfriend.
That makes no sense.
And girlfriend's your girlfriend.
That makes no sense either.
Yeah,
I don't want that to happen.
Why?
I want to be boyfriend. Oh, got kind of off.
I'm being girlfriend.
I'm beating Daddy Dearest.
Is this game like a horror game?
No. Daddy Dearest just looks creepy. But the spooky guys. Oh shoot, I kind of missed it.
It's kind of related to Poppy Playtime.
Well, yeah, there is a Playtime song.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're still on easy. Oh, we're not even done yet, man. Alright, that was easy. Nice.
I can dance to this all day, but I hate it.
Okay, so we beat him. Nice, we beat him. But we do have normal now. Alright, you ready?
Normal's pretty.
I mean, I did beat him once. Oh, we're already starting? Okay.
This is going to be easy.
And we're going to go to hard. Hard's going to be really hard.
Yeah, we already tried that once.
Alright, I think I'm beating him by a rug. By an inch. I'm doing much worse than last time. Dang it, I'm doing so... Ellie, stop distracting me. Oh man, I'm not doing very good. Oh shoot! I didn't realize we were starting so early. Alright, nice. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Okay, we're tied.
You still haven't said thank you since I got you this.
Well, it's just available.
That was one of my surprises.
It's just available on Mac.
No, I bought it for you. Me and Dad both bought it for you. That was one of the surprises, but there's 2 more surprises.
Oh shoot, I'm not doing good. I lost, man. Well, on to hard anyway.
Hard sound.
Hard's actually, I've never beaten hard. So let's just try our best. Daddy Dearest.
This reminds me of Shake It Off.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I like his singing in hard.
Alright, that was really, I just did it.
But boyfriend's still better.
Nice, I'm beating him.
Wow, you are.
I don't think this ever happened before.
No, that's...
Oh shoot.
He's beating you by an inch.
No, I'm beating him.
Look how fast girlfriend's going.
Oh shoot. This part is the hardest. I don't want to do it, man. Oh, if you don't do it, he beats you.
And then he...
Oh, man. Alright, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Go check out our merch that is going to be there soon.
And go check out our shirts, which is also going to be there soon, which I think Rowan just said.
Alright, see you. Bye.